What's up, guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, guys, we have another technical analysis on Nexus here, where we're looking at the BTC value today, currently up about 8% for the day, sitting slightly below 25,000 satoshis. But really quick though, guys, before we take a look at Nexus, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap sitting at 270 billion. Today's volume 12.9 billion. Bitcoin dominant sitting at 43.3. Bitcoin still below 7,000, guys, waiting for that break and close above 7,000. Up almost 1% for the day. However, Ethereum up 2%. It's hanging out at about 420, waiting for the break above 420 as well. Ripple up 1.5%, still below 50 cents. Bitcoin Cash up 0.29, Litecoin up 0.64, EOS up 28, NEO up 10, IOTA up 4. Let's scroll down a little bit. I've been looking at those all day. Status up 7, Waves up 3. What else? Who else? Status up 4, 0x up 8. Walton Chain up almost 15, Golem up 4, they got mainnet going on now, Arc up 3, Basic Attention Token up 5, Dragon Chain down, Elastos down, Substranum up 2, Ethos up 2, GX Chain up 2, Syscoin up almost 4, updated video coming for that soon. I think the big winner today was EOS. Yeah, EOS, Mixin, and Digibyte. Oh, Digibyte passed Redcoin up, nice. You guys came here for a Nexus technical analysis. Major exchanges here, guys. Upbit, Bittrex, Trade by Trade, Right BTC, Cryptopia. So they're not on too many exchanges, guys. This coin is a steal, let me tell you. This is definitely one of my favorite coins, man. The 3D blockchain, it's coming. You guys need to be ready. This is one of my favorite coins that heavily invested in my portfolio. I will admit that right now. But let's go ahead and look at some price action, guys. BTC to USD. Looking at the daily here. Coinbase is the broker. TradingView is the platform we're using. Remember, guys, this is just my personal opinion. I am not a financial advisor. So let's see what's going on with Bitcoin here, guys. We have a lower high. So if we have to form a higher high before I decide to take this position. So I'm pretty much waiting for price to break above 7,000. Once we break above 7,000, I do believe we will be forming a higher high, coming back down to form a higher low, and then continuing and forming another higher high. But until we break 7,000, guys, I will not be adding to my position. Go ahead and mark that off right there. I'm going to go ahead and put it as red. Lock it in. That's resistance. And then we're going to go ahead and do another one. Right about. It's a very tight zone. Very tight zone for me. I'm an aggressive trader. That's just who I am. But if we break below 6,750, I do believe our next target is going to be somewhere down here at about 5,000, 5,500. But remember, guys, this is just my personal opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. Yes, I want to leave the site. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum here, guys. So what I'm waiting for on Ethereum, guys, is the break and close above 420. We did test above and go up to about 430, but we didn't close above it. And then the following day, we closed, I believe, slightly below it at 416. Currently hanging out at about 421, so we are above it now. However, the day hasn't ended, and we haven't closed above it yet. So still haven't added to my position. Patience, guys, patience. Sticking to my trading plan. I'm going to go ahead and mark a line right there. Mark that as red as well because that is my resistance. And then we're going to go ahead and put, let's see, I think if we close below here, it's going to be bad for Ethereum. But it doesn't look like there's any signs of Ethereum slowing down. I think we will, by the end of today, close above 420, and I will finally add to my Ethereum position. And let's go ahead and take a look at Litecoin. Litecoin's the one that's kind of been worrying me, though, guys. Not going to lie. No signs of reversal just yet. Formed the lower high here. Looks like we formed another lower high here. And I've always said I use Litecoin as my indicator to see where the market's going. And Litecoin isn't showing me any signs of, bullish momentum. Maybe we're still in a, maybe this is a bull trap and we're going to fall. But what I'm kind of expecting here from Litecoin is I'm still expecting Litecoin to actually drop down to this zone. Waiting for the break and close at it. Let me go ahead and mark that line for you guys actually. Waiting for a break and close above this level here. Once we break and close above 118, Litecoin should be good to go. However, Litecoin is struggling. It's been a little bit more stable. Hasn't been moving too much. A lot of consolidation. Huge fake out here. We went from about 118 all the way up to 134. I thought we were going to keep going. Came back down, and now we're kind of consolidating here in this nice little tight zone. We haven't, moved too much out of this zone, so we're waiting for a break and close either above or below this zone. Depending on which, if we close above, then I believe we'll be good to go, and it'll be, another bull trend. But if we close below, next target, guys, is going to be 100. Probably going to actually destroy that. I really want it to fall to 70. That way I can just load up. But I think $100 is going to be its next support for sure, guys. But it's just my personal opinion. not a financial advisor, you guys already know. But Nexus here, guys, this is the one I'm very excited for. I'm actually already kind of late. Should have made this video, the updated, well, because I did Nexus USD this morning. Should have done this one right after, but I'm kind of trying to space them out, let the market move a little bit. The Nexus here, guys, came down, found support, came back down, found support again. Nice little double bottom here. And it's actually, I was waiting for the break and close above 21, or about the break and close above 22,000 Satoshis. And once we decided to break and close above 22,000 Satoshis, we were good to go. And we've actually already done that. So I'm actually late for this trade, but it's all right because I'm still early for the future. So you guys can tell we actually broke above 22,000 Satoshis. And then we came back down this candle here and tested it for support. And now this next day is telling us that, hey, we're good to go. And if you go ahead and take a look at our, if you just want an extra confirmation, our stochastic RSI indicator down here is telling us momentum is definitely starting to head towards the upside. Formed a higher high here, guys. Beat this beat this lower high, and then we formed a higher low here, guys. So I think momentum is definitely starting to head towards the upside. Nexus looks like it wants to pop and just head towards the moon, and I think it is. But where do I see this coin going in 2018, guys? I think Nexus can easily be worth 100,000 Satoshis towards the end of 2018, and I'm sure it's probably even going to blow this. Probably going to go even higher. My more aggressive target would be 200,000 Satoshis. And that's probably not going to happen towards, maybe 1 or 2 months into 2019. But again, guys, remember, this is just my personal opinion. I am not a financial advisor. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to upvote, re-steam, comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed. You guys are turning on post notifications. And you give this video a thumbs up. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Thank you for your support. And have a good day. Take it easy, guys. Peace.